Hi friends, hope all of you are doing good. Hope all of you are feeling healthy. And in this topic, we will be talking about why B12 deficiency. Biochemistry എന്ന് വന്ന this year Neet PG PYQ ആണ്. So in the detailed session I have put up. Kindly go through that. It's just a quick review of vitamin B12 deficiency. Let me just go to my PowerPoint presentation. Yeah. Okay, so read this question, guys. A patient has anemia, and let me just take my, yeah, oh, I need a different color. Okay, so the patient has anemia, positive Romberg sign, neurological findings, suggestive of vitamin B12 deficiency. അപ്പോൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ തന്നെ അവർ വൈറ്റമിൻ B12 ഡെഫിഷ്യൻസി ആണെന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. ലാബ് ഫൈൻഡിങ്സ് ഷോ എലിവേറ്റഡ് ഹോമോസിസ്റ്റീൻ ലെവൽസ്. ഹോമോസിസ്റ്റീൻ ഒരു അമൈനോ ആസിഡ് ആണ്. And they're telling that ഇവിടെ അത് കൂടുതലാണ്. Okay, which amino acid is likely to be deficient in this patient? For homocysteine കൂടിയാൽ, what is your inference? Which amino acid is going to be less? Look guys, see vitamin B12, okay, the detailed video you can see from the other video, and now I'll just explain verbally. See, we have an amino acid called as homocysteine. Homocysteine, with the help of vitamin B12, vitamin B12 പല active forms ഉണ്ട്. Methylcobalamin, that is one active form of vitamin B12. Just me see myself, yeah. അപ്പോൾ vitamin B12 പല the active forms ഉണ്ട്. So one form is what? Methylcobalamin. So one amino acid called as homocysteine is converted to another amino acid called as methionine only if you have proper amounts of vitamin B12. ഇത്രയും മനസ്സിലായി. Okay, this concept is very simple here. Okay, and see what happens is from homocysteine, methionine is formed. Okay, adine ningalku vitamin B12 venam, and then from methionine another component called as SAM, that is S-adenosyl methionine, that is formed. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ ഈ component, okay, S-adenomethionine, that is very much needed for the myelination, neurotransmitter synthesis, we need that component. Now, when vitamin B12 is deficient in the body, the foods that are rich in vitamin B12, if you're not eating, then obviously vitamin B12 will be deficient in your body, and this process of conversion doesn't happen. Homocysteine methionine, so obviously the final product, what is that? S-adenosyl methionine form jeyilla. So there is going to be myelination, and this causes problems or neurological problems. Okay, so that is why the patient here has positive Romberg sign. What is positive Romberg sign? Okay. Romberg sign, what we ask is, patient order, we ask the patient to stand straight, feet closed, and open his eyes first. Okay, and then what we tell him is, okay, now you close your eyes. Okay, close the chain. If he is not able to get his balance, if he's swaying, then we say it is a positive Romberg sign. It indicates what? Vitamin B12 deficit. It indicates posterior column problem. Okay, a defect in the posterior column, which could be due to vitamin B12 deficiency. Pala karanathal posterior column can be affected. One of the reasons is vitamin B12 deficiency, because vitamin B12 illing ennu vettum. I told you myelination does not happen well, and it can cause neurological problems. Okay, so that is positive Romberg's test. What are the, okay, tell me from where you will get vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is found in animal products. Okay, animal liver, milk, then meat basically, eggs. So vegetarians are at a risk of vitamin B12 deficiency, very important. Now, what are other symptoms of vitamin B12? Quickly tell me. Yeah, they can have irritability, mood swings, depression, psychosis. That is psychiatric complaints. But then they can have paresthesia, numbness. Final stages, like they can even have urinary or fecal incontinence. A lot of symptoms they might have. So vitamin B12 is a very important nutrient that you should include in your diet. Okay. So now we'll come back to the question. Now we have a patient in a vitamin B12 deficiency, and they say that homocysteine. See guys, ഈ ഒരു ഡെഫിഷ്യൻസി ഉള്ളപ്പോൾ ഹോമോസിസ്റ്റീൻ മെഥിയോണിൻ ആയിട്ട് മാറുമോ? ഇല്ല. അപ്പോൾ ഹോമോസിസ്റ്റീൻ ഗെറ്റ്സ് ബിൽഡപ്പ് ഇൻ ദ ബോഡി. So homocysteine levels will increase in the body. What happens to methionine levels in the body? Methionine will അതുണ്ടാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല, it's comparatively less because that conversion is not taking place. അപ്പോൾ methionine level will decrease. Vitamin B12 deficiency, tell me what happens? Homocysteine level that is not able to get converted to methionine. So homocysteine levels കൂടുന്നു. അതാണ് അവരിവിടെ എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. Read this question. They say vitamin B12 deficiency ആണ് പേഷ്യൻറ്റിന് and lab results show homocysteine levels കൂടുതലാണ്. They asking what is the other amino acid that is going to be deficient in this patient? ഹോമോസിസ്റ്റീൻ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ മെഥിയോണിൻ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. മെഥിയോണിൻ്റെ ലെവൽ ഇവിടെ കുറവാണ് because it's not getting formed because of vitamin B12 deficiency. Understood? So the answer here is the patient is going to have methionine deficiency because homocysteine is not able to get converted to methionine because of vitamin B12 deficiency. I hope you guys understood, and I'll see you all. Please see the detailed video. I've explained it in detail, and yeah, bye.